Hello students, welcome to this particular online whatever the video lectures we are preparing. In that particular, you can say, sequence, I'm just representing here on this blackboard whatever the things that it now up till now we have seen. Isometric projections or drawings, already I have uploaded my videos as well as through online lectures I have told you, but still due to the demand of some of the students, I'm just giving certain basic things through this particular videos which are on the blackboard. Okay, so today we are going to see that how the isometric view of a circle, specifically this is two-dimensional one. Try to remember this one, that can be drawn in a means in which way that we are going to learn this one. So this is a circle having the diameter equal to 50 millimeter, and you know that isometric view of a circle is nothing but an ellipse. Now how to proceed further for this, as if this particular circle will be looking like from the front view, it is as a front view, then it is as a side view and top view. For these three things we are going to learn this one right now. So I'm going to start, this is my baseline, everybody is knowing this one. Okay, now after this is my, I will go for drawing three isometric axis, first isometric axis, second isometric axis and third isometric axis. Everybody is knowing these are nothing but 30 degree, these are nothing but 30 degree angles as far as these three isometric axes are considered one. Now first of all we will go for this circular lamina is looking from the front view as a circle. So how it will look like in an isometric way. So this is my origin O actually, but here in this case it will be A. Is this clear? It will be A actually here for this particular case. Okay, for the remaining cases I will not be able to give you all these points. This circular lamina has been enclosed here for our convenience and this particular quadrilateral, which is nothing but square for this one. Okay, so from A, this distance AB equal to what? 15 millimeter. So from this O, I will go for getting a point here at a distance of 50 millimeter, which is nothing but my B point. From this I will draw a vertical line, which is very faint one, to make this quadrilateral's isometric view first of all, which is nothing but a parallelogram. From this I will draw again mark a point at a distance of 50 millimeter, which is C point. So same distance will be here, which is C point. Okay, and from this C I will draw a parallel line. From this C I will draw a parallel line here, so that it will touch this vertical axis at a distance of 50 millimeter here, and which is my D point. So in this way the quadrilateral's isometric view is nothing but what? A parallelogram. Now we will proceed further for getting how to draw the isometric view of a circle. So for this one we will join the longest diagonal of this particular parallelogram with the help of a continuous line. Join longest diagonal of a parallelogram with the help of a continuous line, which is thin one. Okay, then find out the midpoint of DC, which is opposite to this smallest diagonal points. Then find out the midpoint of AB. Okay, and then join D to this one, I'm giving M1 name to it, B to this one, I'm giving M2 name to this. These are with the help of very faint lines. Now here we are having four centers. First center is nothing but this one, which is nothing but the one end, one corner as far as shortest diagonal points are considered one. This is the second point. This intersecting point here between this longest diagonal and this lines, whatever the shortest diagonal points are joining to these midpoints. These are nothing but the four centers. 1, 2, these are the shortest diagonal points, and 3, 4, these are the intersecting points. Now we will make use of these points for drawing an isometric view of a circle, which is nothing but an ellipse. Okay, now here we will start with 1. Take your compass. In your compass we will take 1 as center and M1 as radius. Okay, 1 as center, M1 as radius, and this direction you are going to draw. Okay, then 2 as center, M2 as radius, you will be going to complete this one. Then 3 as center, M1 as radius, you are going to complete this one. 4 as center, M2 as radius, you are going to complete this one. Again I am repeating, 1 as center, M1 as radius up to this one. 2 as center, M2 as radius up to this one. 3 as center, M1 as radius up to this one. 4 as center, M2 as radius up to this one. So in this way, this is my front view direction, and so that whatever the isometric view of this circle as a front view will be looking like this one. So in this way, the isometric view of this particular circle as if it is looking like from the front view can be completed. Now this thing remains as far as the side view is considered. Here we will see about the side view also. Now side view will be from this particular side. Okay, it can be drawn separately also, but I am not going to draw it as a separate view. So here what we are going to do here, from this one, this 50 millimeter is there. On this I will mark 50 millimeter. Why 50? Because diameter of the circle is 50. From this one I will draw again a vertical line, okay, parallel to this axis. At a distance of 50 millimeter it should be there, so it should be closer to this one. Then from this one I will again mark here 50 millimeter, and then I will draw, so that I will complete this parallelogram. That is my intention to complete it. Okay. Then again join this longest diagonal. Join the, now I will not repeat this points again. Joining the longest diagonal. Okay. These are the shortest diagonal points. From this one find out the midpoint of this one and this one. From this draw these two midpoint, whatever the lines joining the shortest diagonal points and these midpoints. Now we are having these points again. This is first point, this is second point, this is third point, and this is fourth point. Okay, so try to remember this one. Write it now here. I'm just naming it. This is first one, this is second one. First one will be here for this one. This is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one. Write it now. So first one is here. Write it now. So you are going to complete this. This first will be the center, and this is suppose again M1, and this is M2. So first M1, try to complete it. It will be up to here. First will be the center. First M1 will be the radius. Complete this one. 2 will be the center. 2M2 will be the radius. Complete this one. Then 3 will be the center. 3M2 will be the radius. Complete this circle. 4 will be the center, 4M1 will be the radius, complete this circle. So in this way, you can complete this isometric view of a circle. Now here, in this case, I am not going to, it is very difficult one for me, but still we will have this particular thing and then this one. So that, I am just going to erase this, okay. Now here also you can do the same thing, that here see as a top view, this is from front view, this is from front view, this is from side view, and this will be from top view. Here also you can draw the longest, that is join the longest diagonal points. This is already midpoint available for the shortest diagonal. Find out the midpoint of this one, so that you will be getting this two centers, okay. And this is already center available one. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Now try to complete this one again. This is 1, okay. I am talking about separately as if it is from the front view, as if it is from the side view, and as if it is from the top view. So write it now. 1 will be the center. This is suppose M1 here. This already M2 is available one. M1 will be the center. This will be the radius. This is 2. 2M2 will be the center. This will be the radius. 3M2 will be the center. 3M2 will be the radius. Complete this like this one. Okay, like this. Then 4M1 will be the center. This will be the things. So in this way, we are going to complete the isometric view of a circle as if it is looking like from front view, side view, and top view as a circle. So these are the things. So for the timing, read it now. For isometric view of a circle from my side, I think this has been sufficient for you. Try to practice it. We will meet in next video for drawing how to draw the isometric view of a semicircle. Thank you.